Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Orlando at Disney's Magic Kingdom in Disney World. We're going to check out Jungle Cruise. Now, while I was in Orlando, I went on lots of rides, both at Disney, SeaWorld, and Universal Studios. And I'm not sure why I'm starting with Jungle Cruise. It's the first ride that I'm actually showing, but it's got quite a reputation. It's a classic ride. It's really cheesy. And the boat drivers, or the pilots, if you will, are known for being comedians. And I'm pretty sure these boat pilots aren't really piloting a boat at all. I think these boats, if I was a wagering man, I think these boats are pretty much self-run by tracks underneath the water. I could be wrong. There's a lot of Disney aficionados out there. Let me know in the comments if I am wrong. And I was thinking about how I'm going to do these ride videos or these attraction videos. And one of the things I thought about was, I guess there'll be some kind of a format where I'll do an introduction like I am doing now. And then I'll let the attraction speak for itself. I'll bring up the background levels of the sound and let you guys hear what's going on. And then I'll do some kind of an outro commentary as well. And we'll see how this one works out. If it works out well, that's pretty much going to be the format for all the future ride videos here on Disney World, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, as well as Great Adventure back home. When you're in the Disney theme parks, there's usually a cast member at the end of the line with a sign that says how long the line is as far as time-wise. And the person at the end of the line said 30 minutes, and that's pretty much how long I've been online, and I'm getting ready to get on board. So they're pretty accurate. The lines look a lot longer than 30 minutes, but I guess that's because of social distancing. The lines are moving pretty quickly. Anyway, we've shoved off, so let's check out Jungle Cruise, shall we? This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video.
Because, it's in here. Mother Nature got this a little bit confused. So if you direct attention over to the left, you'll see our inspiration cove. You're probably wondering why it's called that. Well, rumor has it, the more that you stare at it, the more that it'll inspire you to go. Deeper and deeper into the forest. So congratulations. Might as well cancel all your reservations and beer and kids because, you're not for another 5 hours. Yeah. Alright, so we're making our way towards the Congo River. We're just going to have to see how far, the Congo. So raise your hand if you've seen the Jungle Book. All of you have it? Right over there. So I have a really good surprise party for you guys. All my friends and family are going to be right here on the shore. I want you guys to say surprise on 3. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Nobody! Like my 8th birthday when nobody showed up. I can't even see anybody. Okay, those are crying. That's okay, they are sleepy. So if you see something big and scary popping up, that's my friend Brian, the python. travel blinds are putting that baby zebra to sleep. Forever. And ever. Well, I hope that he rests in peace and stuff. Rest in peace. Wow, rest in peace. I'm super, super sorry. Yeah, how's that for the dark joke of the day? Woo! Alright, so we actually have one major rule here in the Jungle Cruise, and it's very, very simple. Just don't mess with the rhinos. Just don't do it. You actually end up like my buddy over here on the totem pole. He unfortunately missed his appointment with Dr. Rhino, but as you can see, he actually did get the point. And slip soundly after that as well. No marks on his knee. Wow, that's great. It's actually pretty good skill. So I really appreciate y'all coming aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. You guys are actually the first people in the last like 5 hours to actually make it this far, you know, without crashing. So give yourselves a round of applause. You guys have been doing really, really well. I would clap for you, but you know, I gotta keep my hands on the steering wheel, or else I'll, you know. There's a waterfall coming up, isn't there? Alright, now this is the Schweitzer Falls right over here. You don't feel red. You don't feel red, but here's what will happen. You, my friend, just picked up 9,000 bacterial germs you just get to keep home for free! Woo! Congratulations, guys. Now you're probably asking, hey, Skipper JM, how on earth did you come to job like this? You know, it's pure and simple. Plain and simple, actually. Took a crash course, which was more the crash than the course, but hey, at the end of the day, you just gotta wing it sometimes, you know? Oh my goodness, hippos. Why do they have to be hippos? Just the one in the tree that you have to worry about. But hey, you know what? They're harmless. They won't even hurt you, but here's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and scare them off like I like to scare off other kids nowadays. See? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, so we're actually in the headhunted territory, which is actually a pretty cool place to... As you can see, you got that, right? Okay. Alright, so as you can see right over here, we have a Jungle Cruise boy band called the Backstreet Boys. Not over here, they're on the beats, on the drums. And what good is a Jungle Cruise boy band without a real famous acapella group right over here? And 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go! You're doing great! These are pretty savage to me, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you did not ask for, I give you the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water! R2H! Alright, so we're actually going up to the temple of, I do not remember you being here. Raise your hand if you think we should go inside. Well, you didn't raise your hand, man. I guess it sucks for you. And hey, you know what, Disney? There's probably a gift shop on the other side. Or Harrison Ford. You never know.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And a shout out to Wise Malik as well as Lapsed Time, who both spotted Clarice, the Miss America crown, in my Atlantic City Tropicana video the other day. And that's pretty much it for the Jungle Cruise. Cheesy? Yes, but it's a Disney classic. Let me know what you thought. Leave a comment below.
Hey, it happens. It's perfectly fine. You guys have a good time? Yeah! You ready to have a good rest of your day? Yeah! Get out! Okay, well, that to me, I'm so sorry. Where are my manners? Please get out.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.